Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any website on Google Pixel tab. And to do this, let's open our browser, and here let's try to open any website like YouTube or basically anything else. Here's a problem and it doesn't work. And to fix this, we'll need to open our settings. Now scroll all the way down till you see the system. Here select the date and time and make sure to enable set time automatically. Now we can go back to our browser and try to refresh any website that we tried to open. Now it works fine. The same with YouTube. And let's try to open a new one just to show you. Like this one. It works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.